Today, I'm sharing an effective remedy for dull, dry, and damaged hair. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it very well. Please subscribe to my channel. Add a teaspoon of almond oil. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil. Add a teaspoon of castor oil. Add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients very well. How to use it? Your hair should be clean before using this cream, and also hair should be damp. Now section your hair and apply small amount of cream on your head, and spread the product to the tips of hair. Now cover your hair with a foil wrapping paper. Leave it on hair for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, wash your hair. You can use this remedy twice a week.